Alright guys, I just want to give you an update. Battery Hookup sent me the replacement of the batteries that were having problem with the BMS, and these two batteries they just shipped me, and these are the only ones left on the shelf, and Ryan just shipped it to me, and I have to connect them in parallel, and they came with a voltage about 10 point something volt. I think due to specifications for shipping batteries through the mail or something. So you don't have to come with a hazardous vehicle. So this is they have to discharge the battery at a certain voltage, about maybe 30%. And I'm putting current, which is constant voltage, constant current. But when you set it, it's gonna jump. After a while, it's gonna bring as the voltage goes up, and the amp's gonna drop. Yeah, keep skewing it and see how I can get it back. Okay, now you see the light is on, and the other one here, it's almost the constant voltage. This is the constant current right here, constant voltage. So there you go, both of them are on, and it's gonna change again. So I went to 15.2. So as the batteries are receiving the current and the voltage, and after that the current is dropping, I don't want this battery to go 16 because it will be too much for that inverter. But this is what it is, and see, it just happened there. It lost that communication because the current is so high for it. So I'll keep it that way again on a constant voltage. It's on a bulk charge. It's taking it all away, and BMS is kind of a little bit warm. This BMS kind of a little bit warm here, so you still have the tape on top of it. So I don't want to take the tape. Maybe that's why it has the temperature sensors on the side, the black wire, and all the way here. And this wire is kind of warm because it's pushing. It's flexible. It's pushing about 10 amps, and it's really warm. So, and they set up this flimsy wire. I think it's a 18 gauge or something. Yeah, maybe it's designed for that so they can push too much current. See, now it kicks back. It's gonna reconnect again. There we go. So I think what we have to do here, we have to drop the amps. Keep it low. Let's just push about 9 amps and see how everything goes. So these are the batteries. So I'm gonna be adding them into the pack, and we can have a complete pack again, and we'll see how things go from here. Like and subscribe. JW Solo USA. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys comments. Some of you guys commented to the video, and a lot of people just watch, and we still love you guys. Still appreciate. So help this video go viral by liking the video and share. Okay, so we don't want other people to be intimidated to do this work, this test. Everybody is capable of doing this, so let's keep it that way, and we are here as a DIYers and make things go work properly. Okay, all right, here's our test. If you like to tinker things around tinkering, well, this is what we do here. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. JW Solo USA, Minnesota. Bye.